welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lux Missay, your new bestie. And if you're not, hey girl, what's up? How you doing? Welcome back to the vibes. Got another install wig recommendation for you, so let's get into it. So we're just gonna jump right into it. So this unit is a kinky edges Yaki texture. Actually, as you can see, it has kinky edges, which is beautiful. I love this trend right now, like for real. They're looking out for the 4C girls and I love it. So yeah, it's got elastic straps, everything you need to secure your wig. You know how it goes. And yeah, so if you haven't watched my videos, well, I always start my wigs off like this, especially because this is a 5x5 closure. So I always go ahead and put a little foundation on the closure to kind of give it some tint, to kind of match my scalp a little more. Since this is just a 5x5 closure, it's an easy install. So I'm just going to go ahead and place it right on my head, just like that, and kind of see how it falls and see where it aligns. We're looking good. You don't really need the wig cap. I don't know why I have on my wig cap. I usually don't even put on wig caps, but whatever. I guess I wasn't even thinking about that wig cap. But yeah, so this is the 4C edges or 4C hairline. Gorgeous to me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the wig back, apply some spray. I'm not into glue. I don't do glue. I just do spray because I be having to switch these wigs out literally the same day. Like I recorded 3 wigs in this one sitting. So yeah, we're not doing glue. We're doing spray because they gotta come off right away. But yeah, so this is just so after spraying, I went back and put the lace back down, and this is just me trying to press it down a little bit. And I didn't use a blow dryer because I was gonna have more than enough time for my lace to dry, because I was gonna go ahead and curl my wig. So I just went ahead and put on the elastic band so it can do what it do. So yeah, so this is what the hair looks like. The freaking hair, the density, gorgeous. I love this hair so much. The reason why I'm blow drying this is because I wanted it to be as silky as possible when I press it. But girl, let's just say y'all need to buy your girl a new flat iron. Like at this point, it's my flat iron. I need a new flat iron. So y'all go ahead, start a GoFundMe for me and buy me a new flat iron, because this one I got is not working out. Well, it's doing it a little bit, but it's not giving like I want it to give. So yeah, so while my lace is drying, I just went ahead and just flat iron my hair, try to straighten it out a little more because it was a little puffy or whatever. So just kind of like give it less puffiness. So after straightening it, I just went back and put it back up. So because it's time to bring out the lace. Yeah. So yeah, I took my band off and look at that. Perfecto. So just went in with my scissors and cutting off the excess lace. Y'all, if you know, you know, this is not as easy as it looks. I promise y'all. And I even messed up, y'all. Like I'm so mad. On this side, I went ahead and literally cut off the freaking 4C edges. Like, look at that, y'all. I was so hurt. Like I was so hurt because I was going for a kinky edges look, and it's like, wow, I cut off the little piece of hair that I had there. So I had to go ahead and cut the rest of it and just kind of move on. I'm so sorry, Love Me Hair. Like, I know you guys are gonna watch this. I want to apologize. I didn't mean to cut it. It was an accident, and this happens all the time. So if you guys wanted to send me another wig with 4C hair, I would love you, and I won't make this mistake again. But either way, it looks so good, right? Like, look at this. And what I really like about Love Me Hair wigs is that their parts go all the way back. Like, look how deep this part goes, right? I love that so much because it gives it a natural look. So yeah, but as you can see, the little light, that's like the little brightness on my scalp back there, that's just the wig cap. That's why it looks a little brighter back there. But yeah, but as you see me as I'm spraying my little got to be glue before I went over it with my hot comb, that's because that really helps with like controlling the flyaways. Yeah, and then it makes your hair looks very flat and silky at the top, so that's the reason why I always spray it before I use a hot comb, so it could just, you know, silk my hair down. Yes, girl, this got to be glue spray is actually really great for styling. I mean, you can use it for like holding curls, like after you curl your hair and then you spray it on your hair, it'll hold. It's like a holding spray, honestly speaking. So I always use this for my styling, especially like this specific part right here, because you know you want to have that nice natural looking hairline. I mean, y'all see, look at that. It did what it was supposed to do. Yes, it sure did. But of course, babe, all the hair information is in the description box below. The direct link to the wig, the link to their website, and also my discount code, which is Lux25. So make sure you use that at checkout once you go to their website and find something you like. Make sure you use Lux25 to get 25% off, because why would you pay full price if you don't have to? Why would you pay full price if you got me to hook you up with the discount codes? Go ahead and use a boo. Check in the description box below, and happy shopping. Yes, girl, look at this hair, so gorgeous. Oh yeah, don't forget to also use concealer for your part. It just gives your part a little more life, you know, like it makes it a little brighter. So yeah, don't forget this step. This is a really important step. And here I'm just wiping away the excess glue using some alcohol. Okay, so yeah, and yeah, like I told y'all, I'm a little extra, and so even though the hair was very pretty when it was straight, as y'all saw, it was super cute, and I was debating if I want to keep it that way, but then I was like, let me bump it up a notch. You know, I gotta let the girls see both sides. Like, you gotta see it straight and a little curly, right? Yeah, I wish I had a curling wand though. I think the curling wand would have been so pretty, but this is very pretty too. This hair is amazing. I mean, look, flows right through your fingers, no shedding. It's really great with heat. Oh my goodness. But enough talking, baby. Let me show you the finished product. Boom. Yes, girl. It's giving what it's supposed to give. But anyways, babe, if you made it this far, go ahead and subscribe. Enjoy the vibe. What you doing? We besties now, right? But thank you so much for watching my video, babes. I hope to catch you on my next video. And be sure to check out Love Me Hair. All the information is in the description box below. And I'm going to catch y'all later. Bye.